Hi guys, so I wanted to show you some things. It's kind of a what to get junk journalers for Christmas type video that may be somebody getting you a gift and you just want to forward this video to them and say, oh, that thing that she talked about right there. Or it might be just some inspiration for you and or to buy yourself something for Christmas or any holiday or any gift, right? So these are like my essentials and things that I like to have while I'm junk journaling. There's also going to be some things that I'm actually asking for Christmas from my family because they always want to get me gifts. And so I thought, well, why not do 2-in-1 and make them a video? So some of the things I don't have, but they're things that I want or need or think I need. And so if that happens, I'll just put up a picture from the internet of the item. And like I said, there'll be links down below. They're going to be mostly Amazon affiliate links, so I will get a small kickback if you click on the link and buy it. But to you, it's the same price. So excuse me, that'll help me out. So the first thing is this really cool bookbinding kit. And I've had it for, I think, about a year. And in one of my videos a while ago, if I can find it, I'll link it up there. It's a bookbinding kit, and it's like, I don't remember the price, like $10 or $12. I actually got it in a class at a teacher's convention. But what it has is it has at least this kit I got is 3 waxed linens. So I haven't even begun to use all of them, and I've been using them for a year. So I mean, I haven't made that many books, but I've been using them. So 3 wax linens. You get this really cool bone folder, which is like a notch one, and this is really helpful for if you go in like the creases of a book. Here, like here's the one I'm working on here. And if you go in these creases right here, so I love that. You get a little ring, and it's actually kind of like a thimble ring. And it said on the box how to use it. I tried using it, but it wasn't my style. You get a whole bunch of binder clips, and they're just in with my binder clips now. And then you get this nice awl. I do really like this awl. It's somewhat sharp, and it works good. It fits in my hand. I have small hands. And this needle. There might be other things in the kit. I don't remember. Like I said, I've had it for a while, and I don't keep it in this dish, but I do keep them all together in a box. Just for perspective, I found when I was trying to do this video, this box, and this is my first bookbinding kit. So I put it all together in here. It's not really a kit, but, and so it has like just things, it's just left. So it has things that I would use for bookbinding. This is actually a piece of book cloth. So it's cloth with like paper on the back. And always, you could, anytime you wanted to get a junk journal or something, these little Celestial Seasoning tea tins are great. And I have needles and sequins in here, but I also have like this one and this one, and I even have this, which is like something from Joann's. It's a gift box set thing. Let me zoom in. So, and so this one is for gifts, but I keep my needles in here. So, pokey things that I don't want my kids to get. Okay, so, yeah, and here's a triangle, a craft knife, bookbinding, straight needles, Colophon Book Art Supply. So this is really old. Wow. There's a bone folder. There's a pen. More needles. I don't know why I had buttons, but maybe I was using it. A stick. I don't know what I did with the stick. these little holes are just naturally there, but I have a stick in there. So anyway, if you want to get an updated bookbinding kit, you would get this. The next thing on my list for bookbinders is a good glue, and these are the two glues that I like. Elmer's X-TREME stick in a stick, and either Beacon 3-in-1 or Fabrifix or Fabri-Tac. Those are great. I use these. I do use other glues. I have a tacky glue that I use. So, but these two I'd recommend. Now, the next thing is kind of a little bit different, but it is this Butterfly Beauty Shop Robber's Relief, and it's cloves, cinnamon, lemon, rosemary, and eucalyptus, and you can put it in your oil burner. I love just the scent of it. It is just like amazing, and it's supposed to I don't know, have all sorts of magical properties. You can look it up. I'll make a link for it. But this bottle is, I don't even know where it's to here. And I've been using it for months and months in my oil diffusers. So lots comes in this bottle. I really like this scent. And so does my whole family likes it. It's pretty much the only one we can all agree on. If you don't want to get the bookbinding kit and you just want it all, I really like this Clover Tapered Tailor's Awl for punching holes in leather or fabrics. It comes like this, and this is also very sharp, and I have used this in my bookbinding projects when I lost this one. But you can see they're both very sharp. So if you already maybe don't need a whole kit and you just want an awl, this is a really awesome awl. And I like that it has a little cover. Okay, so I put those all together. The next thing that I would highly suggest if you don't have it yet is distress ink, and these are just some of my distress inks. Everybody uses vintage photo. I don't know where my vintage photo is quite this moment, but these are really great. You could also use, I'm seeing some shadows, sorry guys. Sometimes I will use like an archival ink, but then these are great tools as well. So these are like blender tools. They have a soft foam. You can use, you know, just makeup sponges too, but this is always going to be my like brown like inker. So if you don't know, if you're a friend or a family member of a junk journaler, this helps us age and make everything look old. So that's why we like this tool specifically. I believe it is a Ranger tool, or Tim Holtz. I will put it in the link in the description below. I don't know why I have two. Maybe I bought a 2-pack or something, but these do come off and you can just pop them in water or throw them away. Okay, so that is an awesome gift for your junk journaler friend. The next thing I wanted to say was something I've been recently getting into, and that is Rae Dunn Ceramics. So Rae Dunn, I teach ceramics at a high school, and so I'm starting to learn about it, but here, that's Rae Dunn. You can find her ceramics in TJ Maxx, Homegoods, and somewhere else, and I can't remember. You can buy it online. It's way more expensive online because it's a like second seller. I don't know how much this one actually, this was a gift from my long story. But anyway, they have mugs, they have jars, they have plates and bowls, and they say some really cool things. I think for creators, they're awesome. I have my eye on one that says favorite things, and it's a little box with a lid. So I'm hoping my family got that message and is buying it. Anyway, it's hard to find sometimes in the United States because it is like kind of a trend. So, but it's just mass-produced ceramics. It's all white with black lettering. Sometimes I think it's white with red lettering for Christmas things like ho ho ho. So anyway, this is a new thing for my desk, and I'm really excited about that. The next thing is I do really like this Eek Tools scoreboard, and I like this little thing here, and it just works really easily, and also it's small enough so it just goes right in my desk, on my desk actually, or near my desk. And you know, it has 6 inches across, so for me that's plenty. If I do anything longer, I don't need to use this. It is 8 inches long, okay, if you can see the bottom, 8 inches. So this for me is perfect. And then let's see, if you don't have this, this would be also something that I would recommend. This is the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. I like it. I use it. This cool thing here is nice because it also has, it's a corner rounder. So let me put in a piece of paper. That corner is already rounded. Here's a piece of paper. Oh, my poor daughter is having a little fit. I can hear her. So it rounds the corner. So that's really nice. So I would highly recommend this. And the next thing I want for Christmas is actually something I want and I don't have. And it is a Fiskars Cutter that is better than this Fiskars Cutter, because this Fiskars Cutter is old. I keep buying the little replacement. This is a brand new one. It has a little shield on it, but it's not bad, and it's just, and it, you know, comes up like this, and there's an arm like this, but there's one that's like a lot more expensive. So I'll put a link down to the one that I really want for Christmas, hint hint. Maybe you guys want it too. I'm just taking a look at my notes and seeing what else is on my list, because I did make a list. Okay, the next thing that I really, really would like is a new sewing machine. I like my sewing machine. It's a Singer, but I really want the Project Runway sewing machine that Daisy Collins used on Tsunami Rose. That it seems like it has a little bit more stitches for me, and that is really what I'd like to upgrade to. So hint hint, Mom. You can never be too old to get a nice gift from your mother, right? Anyway, so I'll put a link in the description box below. And one more thing. Oh, I do have this, but it's at work, and it's my favorite hand salve, and it is Burt's Bees. It's called like Milk and Honey, and I will insert a picture here of me holding it. Boop. But I love that, and since I do teach ceramics, my hands get really dry, so that is another thing that I am recommending. Okay guys, and last but not least, the thing that I would recommend for a gift for a junk journal is washi tape. We buy it, we love it. This is actually I think Joann's brand, but you know, I've talked about this one before. Wood grain, but just this is just a sampling glitter washi tape. You know, if your friend or you are into vintage, you know, maybe some browns, some greens, some subtle tones. I love these. Beautiful. This is purple. It's a nice purple. I do not know where I got that one. This one's Scotch. But, you know, maybe take a look in their stash and see what they have already and see maybe what they're missing. But if I can find some links of some washi tape that I will like, I will put it in the description box below. But I do think that washi tape is a nice little stocking stuffer for, and you know, it's everywhere. I have it literally like everywhere on my desk. Anywhere I go, I see it. I do have a big thing of it. And actually all of my washi tape could not fit in this, so I just put out, these are brights, these are more dulls, although they're kind of mixed together, so oh well, I'll sort them out another time. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of you that have watched my channel and supported my channel throughout this year. I know I took a little bit of a break, and I thought that was fine, and everyone's been really supportive. So I wanted to say thank you. I hope everybody that celebrates Christmas has a Merry Christmas. Everyone else, I hope that you have a Happy New Year, and that you're happy and healthy and do something nice for yourself. Like I said, the links in the description will be affiliate links if they go to Amazon. So I will get a small kickback, and I love it if you'd click on those links because it does not cost you any extra money. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye. Okay guys, so I forgot 2 products that I love and I've been using for a while. Some I stopped using for a little while and then I started again. This one is pH neutral PVA. And this is really nice because when you do the spine, it doesn't crack it. It is a glue that stays pliable. So I really like this. So that is a highly recommend. And then I do sometimes use professionally made book cloth when I just want the color or whatever. This is book cloth superior quality, and I will put a link down, Books by Hand, put a link down below. So those are my 2 little updates to this video, and I hope you get some gifts. Thanks, bye.